This here is a property that I lease for deer hunting. Well, hunting in general, but there's always a lot of coyotes down here, but they're not easy to call here. I shot one here last year, first time calling it this year, so hopefully we can get lucky.
The Job is presented by Songdog Mafia, Icotec, Dead Serious Game Calls, Black Diamond Optics, expand your potential, Specialized Dynamics, if you want to hang fur, you've got to drive tax, Predator Hunter Outdoors, keep hunting after the sun goes down. And Tony Tebbe's signature sounds, second to none.
Alright guys, it's January 6th, I think, and this is a spot that's been on a couple of our videos. It's been pretty good to us over the years, but last year we didn't have any luck out here, so hopefully we can pull some dogs out this morning. So, I'm gonna get in here and try anyways. Got the Outlaw, the rifle, Jason behind the camera, so let's get to it. They've seen us. You got on them? Woo, woo, woo! You want them?
You ain't got one you can shoot. They're in that fence line. See him?
There's a dead one. Got one of them.
One's still running back there.
Yeah. Sorry. You said, can you shoot one? Yeah, I just dropped one.
I don't know if I got it. Oh, where was it? The one you shot?
On the back side of this fence line?
It was on the other side, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I guarantee I couldn't see it with the camera, but I couldn't see it.
Shit, those came fast. They seen us move. He's still laying there.
You see him?
233 yards.
Did you hold high?
I put my 200-yard hash on him.
Sorry, man. I just looked over and there they were.
Well, I wasn't ready for them. All of a sudden, they just appeared.
I think they saw you move over and me move over at the same time.
One of them did, yeah. Yep, it's laying there.
There was 4 of them.
Yeah.
Well, let's go get it. What do you say?
Well, Paul had to kill one. Couldn't go the day without killing one. male. Heck yeah. This spot here has been good to me this year. This is the second time we've been here and the second coyote I've killed. We actually called in 4, and we didn't realize that we were silhouetted up there on top of the hill. I'm glad we didn't let them all 4 of them get away. One of them did bite the dust, but would have liked to have gotten a little more footage of them, but it is what it is. So we've got another big male in the truck, so we're gonna probably try to make a couple more stands before lunchtime. So goner.
Guys, as we all know, a good headlamp is a very good, important tool to have on a coyote stand. To get in and out of your stands early in the morning and late at night, good recovery light. So that's why we have this Night Snipe headlamp from Predator Hunter Outdoors. Comes in green, red, and white, and it's gonna help you load and unload your truck in the dark. It's gonna help you recover your animals, and it's also just gonna help you get around in the dark, because we know some of those last minute stands right before dark are some of the best, and the bright and early stands right after daylight's the best. For you night hunting guys, they've got a whole line of night hunting headlamps, lights, gun lights, infrared, night vision. Guys, they've got you covered on everything. So go check out Predator Hunter Outdoors, their Night Snipe headlamps, and all their other products.
Next time on The Job, Jason meets up with Paul to take out Paul's son Alan. And a coyote gives Alan an education in body language. That's on the next episode of The Job.